If you think you wasted the entire 2023, let me tell you. Let's start from now and let's see a month from now or maybe a few weeks from now, I'm going to gift you a new you. Here's to new beginnings, to a new year with so many resolutions and easy, simple exercises which will help you get back in shape. These simple and easy exercises, completely beginner friendly, is not just going to target your belly area, that belly fat, and help you achieve a slim waist, but it's actually also going to help you achieve an overall slim figure. You're going to lose weight overall, be it your thunder thighs, your hips, your arms, your upper body, entire body is going to take benefit, and you're surely fitting into a beautiful dress before the next season changes. I see many of you struggling with weight loss exercises which you can actually do on a daily basis, because somewhere deep down our mind is conditioned to actually follow just simple and easy exercises, and you don't want to make it cumbersome, you don't want to make it tedious, because you know it's eventually going to take a toll. So the best thing to do is find simple, doable, easy exercises which you can quickly be done with and also get in that sweat. For that, I have got you these exercises absolutely targeting your entire body. So did you know an interesting fact? The best time to start your weight loss journey is the beginning of the year in January, and that's what this month is all about. Now let me tell you why is it so easy. First of all, the entire universe is motivated to lose weight and everybody is making the same resolution. So do comment below and tell me, are you also making the same resolution to fit into your favorite summer dress? Besides that, the best part about losing weight in January is there's nobody to demotivate you, because like I said, everybody's on the same page. And now the third most exciting thing about winters is the fruits, vegetables, the lovely colors, and my God, what fresh farm produce is there. Now, if you wouldn't make advantage of this, then what would happen? Come on now, you have to eat fresh veggies, whole foods. They come in abundance. Do comment below one of the 3 reasons which is definitely going to help you lose weight in January. So enough of chit chatting. Now let's get back to the business and let's do some exercise. For the first exercise, you have to stand straight with your shoulder width apart. Your legs are supposed to be wider than that and your core tucked in tight. Now this is most important. What you have to do is raise your hands above your head, stretch as far as you can, then come down. Try and touch the floor with your tips of the hand, and then come on to the side and then the next side and then in the middle again, and that's it. Now let's do it together to the count of 10. So if you're overweight and you're actually wanting to lose your lower half of the body weight, then the best thing to do is jumping jacks, and also going to help your upper body. But no, when you're overweight, you shouldn't be doing jumping jacks. It's straight away going to affect your knee. So I've got a simple and easy, very, very effective way of absolutely working out those muscles without stressing them. The only thing you have to do is raise your knees to your chest level and try and clap your hands below. Let's do it for a minute. For the third most effective exercise, you have to actually keep your legs more than shoulder width apart, as you can see. Then you have to twist and turn your toes slightly outside, and then you have to squat like this, and this knee should actually not go beyond your toe. That's the right way of doing it. And when you go up, you have to come on your toes like this. Let's do it together. I've had an amazing workout with all of you, but just 1 minute of each exercise might not fetch you the results you want. You should be doing at least 100 reps each. So build it on with 1 minute, then 2 minutes, then 5 minutes, or you can do the repetitions. While I'm trying to catch my breath, I sincerely hope you enjoyed these 3 simple moves to lose your full body fat. It's a new year, a new beginning, and I'm definitely going to see you next week again with a new video. Now, why don't you comment below and tell me which is your problem area on which I should be making a video on, whether it is your upper body fat, your belly fat, your thigh fat, or your hip fat. I will be waiting for your comments below. I'll see you soon again with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.